It's Bonnie. Happy Monday! I am back. Check it out. I got my Halloween shirt on because we're going to be doing a Halloween video later. But right now, I got to talk about Bath and Body Works Christmas again. They are riding the Christmas train hard. What a metaphor! Bath and Body Works has actually got a train theme going on. And I was very shocked today to see the new banner on the website. So I'm going to put a screenshot up right here, and it says arriving now, Holiday Town with the train. So they actually have the holiday shop up and running. I'm like, it's up already on October 2nd. Stuff is rolling in. More train metaphors, literally. And on the app, we have more information. So I'm going to talk about that a little bit. Where did I put my gold candle? Oh, I put it over there. That is up online. So, first of all, in the holiday shop, by the way, I hope you shopped last night, the 550 sale. I got my classic flannel. I got one more piece of the Pure Wonder in the new packaging. But they also have the Harvest Gathering candle, which is kind of Thanksgiving. They've got some new wallflower plugs, which I saw in the store. Was it yesterday? I think it was yesterday. They have a Christmas tree. They have a cinnamon roll pocket bag. They have some new concentrated room spray, holiday bags. They have the ugly sweater pocket bag holder. They have a Boston dog cosmetic bag, lots of car fragrance clips. Those are online now. So, a little bit of a Christmas preview, but not like everything. It's like the candles, the white barn candles, the Christmas candles we've seen. So it's a very like low-key holiday preview. Then we have on the app, I'm going to put a screenshot up right here. This is actually more exciting to me. Chapter 1, A Winter Wander. So it feels like now they're kind of doing like a chapter thing. This one is 'Tis the Season for a Pretty in Pink Heartwarming Read. And number 1 is Strawberry Snowflakes. Remember I said Strawberry Snowflakes is coming back. Once upon a time, as snowflakes fell and a sweet scent filled the night air. I gotta say, I love the packaging. The packaging on this is totally hot. Next up, we have a preview of the candle that's currently up, so it's not really a preview. This is the Birchwood one. What is this one called? I can't even read it. Oh my gosh, I forgot what this one is called. It's Birchwood Orchard, that's right. But it's pretty, it's pink. And then we have, what's the next one? I think it's Snowflakes in Cashmere. Yes, we have Snowflakes in Cashmere. Again, beautiful packaging. And then the final one they gave on the app is Winterberry Wonder. Fairy Tale is also going to be in this collection. It's green. I've seen it. But this packaging, I gotta say, is really, really pretty. I think a lot of people are gonna love this. Winterberry Wonder is nice. A lot of people love Winterberry Wonder. And then Dahlia and Dark Kiss are coming back. I think those might be faceted. I don't know. I can't remember. But we're rolling in a whole bunch of stuff for Christmas. Also, the entire Luminous collection, which I'm going to review later today, is up, including the perfume, which I really want. I'm going to put a screenshot up. Look at the box. It like opens up like a present. It's so pretty. Actually, here's the box. This is totally giftable. Bath and Body Works is doing like this really cute giftable perfume for Christmas. I'm excited. It looks nice. I'm definitely going to get that. And then today, sales, wallflower fragrance refills are $3.95. Nothing else is on sale. So if you wanted Luminous today, you're going to have to use your app rewards, or hopefully you have a coupon. I think the new Luminous coupon, I might have put it in my purse. Do I have it here? Starts today. Where did my Luminous coupon go, you guys? It's around here somewhere. I swear I didn't lose it. I'm losing everything. But the Luminous perfume online is 59.95. I wish it was 15. But the bottle's pretty. I gotta say, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna be reviewing that. But right now, like I said, a little bit of a Christmas preview, not a lot, but they're really rolling in Christmas right now. So I wanted to give everyone an update on that. I will be back later. I will see you guys soon. Bye bye.